you must simplify them, you must disintegrate them in such a way that you can apply their laws. Look at this guy. If they do not have the same base, if they do not have the same base, I can't do anything to them. If this guy does not have the same base, I can't do it like this. So obviously, that's the reason why I'm bringing them to the same base. 4 raised to power 3x over 2. This is 3 times x over 2. Now, the next one, can you see now? This is a question whereby I'm not using the third rule. Look at the third rule I want to use again. In indices question, I've told you it is scarce for you to use only one rule. So they cannot be so dogmatic in an exam to give you just an indices question that you apply only one rule. It's not very common. I'm not saying it's impossible. So now, I've used look at this. I've used fractional indices. I've used division of sort. Now, I want to use another one again now. In this case, now I want to use multiplication of powers, product rule. So I want to multiply these powers now. So the powers have to be multiplied, the product of the powers. So this becomes 2 raised to power 3, which is the rule I gave you here. A raised to power x and y becomes a raised to power x times y. That's what I'm applying now. That's 3 times x over 2, all over 2 raised to power 2. So 3x over 2 is equal to this now what? 2 raised to power what? 3x over 2, all over 2 raised to power 2. Now, to bring these two guys together now, who can remember now? What am I going to use here now? What am I going to use? The what? The division rule. Yes, thank you. So this division rule is what I'm going to use. See now, this guy and this guy are the same. I've already found the product of their powers. I've done it here. The next stage now is to use this division rule there. So now that becomes, if I do that, this guy will become 2 raised to power 3x over 2 minus what? Minus 2. I've just used this law here now. So don't think I just. So that's I said that even if you are not in my last class, the smart, almost all the questions that are here on this board, we touch almost all the rules we have been speaking about, or we have spoken about rather. So if we touch all the rules we have spoken about so far, because today I am ending this topic, so that this becomes 3x over 2 is equal to now. What am I going to do to this guy? Somebody will now come and say 2 year 1, 2 year 1. I've told you, there are some people that their family is about family members from China, you know. You say 2 year 1, 2 year 1. You don't do that in this case. You know, it happened in the last class, so I know what I'm saying. So, but in this case, now what do we do here? We do what? What do you do louder? So this is LCM. You find LCM in this guy. So when you find LCM in this guy, it becomes 2 raised to power. The LCM is what? Is 2. 2 in 2. 1 times 3x. 1 in 2. 2 times 2. So now, therefore,